All right, so I recently went to the Nike outlet as well as the Nike employee store. Got a couple pickups from both, but I want you guys to be the judge which had better deals at the Nike outlet or the employee store. So let's go ahead and get into the video. What is going on, guys? Hes here. Hopefully you guys are having a great day out there. If you guys enjoy sneaker content and you guys like what you see, then please consider subscribing to the channel. If you guys don't follow collectivekicks.com, basically it's my website that I post a bunch of sneaker deals for you guys from Nike and Adidas and Foot Locker and Hibbett Sports and those type of sites. Also, if you check the link at the top of the description of the video, it will take you over to Nike's sales section. Always worth a look over there. They do have some good deals on sale all the time. Sometimes you find some in store, and sometimes the deals online are actually better than what you can find in store. But without waiting any further, I'll show you guys what I picked up from the outlet, and then we'll show you guys the employee store pickups. Honestly, we'll see. I mean, it was pretty tough because there's some really good pickups in both, in my opinion. I only got one pair of sneakers from the outlet. I didn't even know that this colorway came out. This model retroed, and not too many people were really picking it up. And I've picked up one pair on sale in the past, and then this one as well. Retails $170 on the box. But this is the shoe right here. So this is the Air Max Tailwind 4 SE. Colors on here are white, black, ghost green. And as soon as I saw these in store, I was like, I have to buy these because the upper is just so crazy, and it goes really well with this pair of sneakers. So the Air Tailwind 4B or whatever they're called back in the day, I really like those ones. I have an OG colorway still in my collection, and this new revised colorway is really nice. I got the display model, as you can see, the sticker on the bottom, because this is not 100% into my size. It's a size 9. I'm usually 9.5. So we do sneakerhead things when we have the opportunity like this. Like, I wasn't going to pass up this sneaker for the price that it was. I think it was like 56 bucks or something like that. I wasn't going to pass it up. So what do? I tried it on. I was like, I could probably make this work. I could take out the insole and it will fit a little bit better. I can also wear really, really thin socks and just wear it super loose. And I can get by with these. Like, I can wear them and it's no more comfortable than like a pair of Air Maxes or Air Jordans or something like that. So at the end of the day, you know, it's one that I can work with, and I'm willing to work with at that price. And considering it's the only time I saw this colorway, it was a go for me. So I had to pick this one up. Also, shout out to the dude Spencer at the factory store in Bend, Oregon. He's actually the one that gave me the employee store pass so I could go to the employee store a week later and go shopping. So without him, I wouldn't have got this pass. And so it was nice to be able to meet. He said he watched the channel in the past and stuff, and it was cool to be able to meet him. And yeah, it was fun. But I had him look these up. They didn't have any bigger sizes. Super bummed about that, but really fire colorway, in my opinion. Looks great on feet. It's kind of more of a summer shoe, just to be honest. But at the end of the day, dude, one of the ones that can stay in my collection and go into rotation next year, and really happy with that pickup. So this is a Columbia pickup. I forgot. So we went to the Columbia outlet as well, which is right next door to the Nike one in Bend. And these were on sale. It's camo shorts right here. $20 on here. They're normally 55 bucks. But they were buy one, get one half off. So these were 15 bucks instead. So 15 bucks for a pair of cargo shorts. I'm in for that. Also, oh yeah, I forgot. These were 50, and these are a pair of Mountain Hardwear pants, normally 85 bucks. These are fleece lined, like winter pants. I don't even know why I bought these, 100% honest. Because I didn't need them, but I thought they were cheaper than they were. But these were $50, but I forgot, even for these ones, I have an extra 30% off from the sale price. So it's like a friends and family discount that I got. So kind of cool and fun that I got that. The other one I got, this is another Nike pickup. So the retail on this jacket right here, dudes, $250. Look at this thing. I actually posted this on my website when it had a sale on Nike. You can get it for like 70 or 80 bucks in other colorways, but not the black one. These were $25. I paid $22.50 for this one with a 10% off discount at the Nike outlet as well. So 22 bucks, dude, for a $250 jacket. I mean, this is a huge win in my opinion. Now, it's not my size. I got a men's small, and I just figured I would hold on to it until Harrison was big enough to be able to fit it, because I was like, I'm not going to not buy this jacket. And they didn't have any larges or extra larges, so I had smalls and mediums. And this one was at a different Nike outlet, so I actually went to a couple different ones. This one is at Woodburn, Oregon. And yeah, man, 25 bucks is a steal for a $250 jacket. Columbia boxers. Don't know why I'm showing you that. And last thing I picked up is some extra socks. These are 20 bucks plus the 10% off from Nike. And then from the Nike employee store, I gotta say it was pretty dry. They didn't have a ton of stuff over there. I did get a couple pairs of shoes though. At the end of the day, it wasn't terrible, but it wasn't as good as it could have been. Right. The first thing that they had is this pair of Lebrons that I honestly didn't expect. They actually restocked these ones, it looked like, because they were selling out really fast. They only had one size 9.5 left. So these are the Lebron 18 lows, and retail is 160, but I got them for the employee store price. Here is one. We have the Wile E. Coyote, and then two, we have the Roadrunner. Out of all the ones that released for the Space Jam movie, I think that this is the best executed theme one, just because it's kind of different. I mean, not too often we see mismatched shoes, but one with Wile E. Coyote, one with Roadrunner. Obviously, you could tell the theme in the shoes, and they look really crazy. The Cloud of Dust from the Roadrunner and the Acme Co. from the Anvil on the Coyote ones. It's just a well thought out theme that was executed well. On the reverse side of the tongues, it actually says help embroidered, and then has the Roadrunner on the other one. Toon Squad on the tongue as well. And then it says yow on one side, like he got hurt obviously, and then beep beep on the other one. So cool pair. Like my kid really likes Roadrunner and Wile E. Coyote. In fact, those are the only two from the Lego sets. They have the little minifigs. We have all of them except for those two, and those are the only two that I want to go figure. But these are pretty rad, and they had them in my size. So obviously I was like, okay, I'm gonna scoop this one up, especially at 40% off. I mean, like, you can't really beat a discount like that. So got that one. I'm happy with that one, but I will tell you, they did have South Beach Lebron 8s in store as well, and they were only black badge only, and I was like, no, I didn't have a black. So a black badge, for those that didn't know, is the employee badge. If you have an employee badge, you can go into an employee entrance. You don't have to wait in the regular line. You can also exit through the employee side where they have their own registers, and then you could see they had some South Beach 8s sitting up there, which means they have a stockpile of those. Confirmed with some friends that picked up pairs of those, but unfortunately you have to have a black badge. So I have a guest badge, and you know, guest badges don't work on that, which I do think is cool that they give the employees the opportunity to be able to buy the product instead of just random sneaker resellers or people that just want to come in and get a quick, like, hot commodity item. It's nice that they give some of that back to the employees, because can you imagine being an employee at Nike and not being able to get your hands on the product that you guys are producing? And you think that we get sneaker L's on the apps and stuff, but imagine being an employee that can't even get your hands on your own merchandise. It would be frustrating. So I like that they do that for employees and give them some perks there. This is another pair that I saw in store. I've never seen this one, and I saw these and I was like, okay, I can work with this. This is a pair of Air Max 95s, and this is the SE version, and this has the Fig 5 cork on the tongue here, it says, and this is like the cork version of the Air Max 95s. I think it looks really clean, and it has the cork along the side as well. Just the denim of it is really rad too. I feel like you could probably rip this denim or like do some sort of like a bleach to it. It would be really rad. I could see myself customizing the heck out of these and making it kind of fun. But the outsole is really nice as well. It has kind of like a regrinded brown outsole, kind of gum sole-ish, but looks really clean. But this pair just looked a little bit different, and considering it was 40% off, I was like, yeah, I might as well pick up a pair. 180s retail on those though, so not a cheap shoe. And then the last one is an ACG pair that I saw, and I saw these on the app on sneakers, and I kind of wanted them, and then I passed on them. They only had one size left close to mine, which is the 9, unfortunately, again, so they actually fit too snug for me, but I wanted to try them anyway. ACG Air Nasu 2. The retail on these are actually only 120 bucks, which is a pretty good price, but the Nasu 2s, it's a pretty nice looking model. I think it's Nike React in the mid, so I'm not 100% sure, but the upper is really cool. It's a lot of fused materials and overlays and stuff, and it just looks like a nice kind of trail-ish shoe, but one that you could wear city walking as well. And I don't know, I thought this one was a cool looking one, and 120 plus 40% off. I was like, sure, let's try it out. And so those are the three that I ended up picking up. I also got some Tech Fleece shorts for the kid, so he can have some nice Nike Tech Fleece shorts. Got to get him some shoes though, because he doesn't like the Nike shoes for the most part. I also got him the black Tech Fleece shorts. He wears shorts year round, so I figured at least get him some Tech Fleece for the fall time. And then I got these crazy Nike running pants as well. Price point on these are kind of expensive though. I think those are like 100 bucks. But you can see they're pretty nice, and they have a nice real tapered look to them. So thinking men's Tiro pants for Adidas. Now I kind of have a Nike version of that, but a more expensive version. And then last I picked up this long sleeve Nike shirt for the little girl, and then some Nike pants. So I wanted to make sure Maddie got something there as well. Got some other stuff for the wife as well, but I didn't show you guys. But what do you guys think out of the battle here? Which did better, the Nike outlet or the Nike employee store? I think the Nike employee store was a W for these, because these were really dope. However, for that $50 price point or whatever I got these ones for, I really love the Tailwinds. Plus this jacket at $250 that I got for 25 bucks. I'd actually say that the outlets won this time because the outlet prices were unbelievably good. If I would have got the South Beach 8s, the employee store would have been the W for me. But instead, I think I'm going to go with the outlet as the winners. So don't forget to check your Nike outlets, man. You don't have to have an employee store pass to go check those out. And the discounts are deep usually at the outlets. Nike employee store is only 50% for employees, 40% off for guests. So you don't get any crazy deep discounts at the employee store most of the time. You're just kind of banking that they have some decent hot products, and this time they didn't really have as much. But the outlet was rocking, and I'm glad I picked up a couple things. I also picked up a pair of cargo pants from the outlet that were some ACGs that were really dope that I didn't show you guys, but they were like on sale for 30 bucks, which was a super huge W as well. But I had some fun shopping around both the outlet and the employee store. And if you guys want more of the outlet videos, leave a comment, let me know, because I definitely can do more of them. It's something that I enjoy doing, and now that I'm like self-employed, I don't have to wait to any specific time. I can go whenever I feel like going instead of waiting through my meetings and stuff that I used to have during the day. But thank you again for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please drop a like on the video, and maybe we'll see you guys back here for some more of my content. All right, peace, guys.